Hazrat Amr bin Sulaim Ansari said, I testify in favor of Sayyid, and he said, I testify in favor of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in addition to take a bath on Friday, it is also essential for a mature to use toothstick, toothbrush, and wear perfume if it is available. Amr said, I testify that taking a bath is essential, but as far as using toothstick and wearing perfume is concerned, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best, whether it is essential or not. But same is mentioned in the Hadith. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari Rahmatullah Alayh said, this is the brother of Muhammad bin al-Munkadir, and the name of Abu Bakr cannot be known. Bukhair bin Asjaj and Sayyid bin Abu Hilal and many a man have reported it from him. And the kunyat, technonym of Muhammad bin al-Munkadir is Abu Bakr and Abu Abdullah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 880.